The equipment used in cottonseed oil processing line is briefly introduced. Per-press leaching method to extract cottonseed oil requires pretreatment equipment plus per-press plus leaching equipment. The processing and production process of cottonseed oil is: flapping gives cleaning, gives magnetic separation, gives husking. Gives husking, kernel separation gives crushing, and pressing gives pre-pressing, gives leaching, gives refining, gives degreasing, gives and cake meal. The pre-processing steps of refining cottonseed oil and cottonseed crude oil by pre-pressing and leaching processes mainly include cleaning, husking and crushing, steaming and stirring, frying, and pressing. The refining of cottonseed oil can remove all kinds of impurities such as colloidal impurities, free fatty acids, pigments and odors in cottonseed oil and improve the stability of cottonseed oil. Cleaning using electromagnetic separator, vibrating screen, paraffin removal machine, and glue removal agent. Shelled and broken, the cracked cottonseed kernel is cut into uniform smaller slices, less powder. Refining, the crude oil contains residues and solid powders, so we must remove them before packaging. This requires refining of the crude oil, and the impurities such as colloids and free fatty acids are removed by refining equipment.